Downloading data from Cash App is a straightforward process that allows you to access your transaction history and other important information. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with the correct credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile icon or the account balance at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Statements. Scroll down and look for the Statements option. This section contains your transaction history and account statements. Step 4. Select Date Range. Choose the date range for the data you want to download. You can select options like monthly, yearly, or specify custom dates to narrow down your search. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting the desired date range, look for the option to download or export your data. This may be in the form of a CSV file or PDF, depending on your preference. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Cash App for your records or personal use.